Welcome back our 7th standard computer science online class. Today we are discuss the 7th lesson continuation. The 7th lesson name Introduction to HTML. All of you take our book page number 73. The first topic structure of an HTML document. You create a HTML web page. You clearly learn the first HTML structure. The HTML document contains two sections. They are header section and body section. The header section can contain the header of the HTML document. That means contain the HTML tag, head tag, title tag. The next one, body section. The body section contains content of the HTML element. That means it contains the body tag, then it contains content of the HTML document. Okay, now see the HTML structure. You see the book. First, write left angular bracket, then write HTML, then close by right angular bracket. Okay, this is HTML tag. Then open the head tag. First write rectangular bracket, then write head, then close by right angular bracket. Okay, you can write any heading of the document. You write in this side. Okay, then open the title tag. How to open the title tag? First write left angular bracket, then write title, then close by right angular bracket, then write the document title name. Okay, then rectangular bracket, then write the forward slash. That means it is close by the title tag. Okay, then write title, then write right angular bracket, then close the head tag. This is the header section is over. Then write the body section. So open first body tag. Okay, then write any content of the HTML document, then close body tag, then close the HTML tag. Can you understand, ma? Okay. Next, tags. Tags are very important to the HTML document because every HTML document can contain the many tags. Okay, the HTML document can write the tags in first write rectangular bracket, then tag name, then write close by a right angular bracket. Some example of tags are HTML, head, body, etc. Okay. The next one, attribute. The attributes are provide some additional information about the HTML element. The attributes are always written as first write the tag name, then write the attribute. Okay. The attributes are separated in one or more spaces. Okay. The next one, value. The value attribute always come after the equal to sign. Okay. For example, left angular bracket, body, BG color equal to double quotes, red, double quotes, then write right angular brackets. Okay, listen. Body is the tag. Okay. The next one, BG color. It is attribute. The next, red. Red is value. Can you understand, children? Okay. The next one, types of tags. The HTML can provide two types of tags. They are container tags and empty tags. The container tags can contain the opening and closing tags. Okay. For example of container tags are HTML, head, title, P, that means the bold tag, then sender tag. The next tag is empty tag. The empty tag have only the opening tag. Some example of empty tags are BR, HR, font space, IMG, then link. These are empty tags. Now discuss the some basics HTML tag. The basic HTML tags are HTML tag, head tag, title tag, then body tag. The first one, HTML tag. The HTML document you create, first write the HTML tag. You first write HTML document. It inform the browser know that is declaring the HTML document. Syntax HTML, then close the HTML tag. Okay. The next one, head tag. The head tag contain the information about the document. Then it define the document header also. Then it describe the document title. Okay. Syntax head tag, then close the head tag. The next one, title tag. The title tag display the title bar present the top of the web browser. It contain title of the document. Okay. Syntax title tag, then close the title tag. The next one, body tag. The body tag can contain the all the HTML elements. Okay. That means it contain body section. Syntax body tag, then close the body tag. Then see the one example. First open the HTML tag, then open the head tag, then open the title tag. The title, my first web page, then close the title tag, then close the head tag. Then open the body tag, then write the HTML content. Welcome to HTML. This is my first HTML document. Then close the body tag, then close the body tag. You see the output figure 7.6. The first web page is display the title of the document. That is, it display the title bar. Okay. Then body content are displayed in the document. Welcome to HTML. This is my first HTML document. Can you understand, children? The next one, categories of HTML element. There are two categories in the HTML element used in the body section. They are block level elements and text level elements. The block level elements are paragraph P, heading levels HN, and horizontal tool HR. These are used in the block level elements. The next one, text level elements. The text level elements are include the inserting images and sounds. Some text level elements are bold B tag, italic I tag, then line break PR tag. Can you understand, children? Okay, thank you, student.